Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete the expedition volunteer quest from Blanc during the prep phase of the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. Okay, before you can start this quest, you'll need to complete the coastal notice quest by collecting approval signs from the town residents, and after that, talk to Annie and Atara to unlock the expedition volunteer stage. This stage works similarly to the previous one. You'll need to complete quests from different town residents, and there are 9 quests in total. And in this guide, we'll be focusing on Blanc's quest. And let's get started. First, you're going to find Blanc. You can easily recognize him because he has the Expedition Volunteer quest icon above his head. Tap the track icon and then follow the quest marker to his location. And once you arrive, talk to Blanc and select the Expedition Volunteer. Then tap Leave It to Me to accept the quest. And for this quest, your objective is simple. You just need to perform a solo action. You can go to the action menu, select solo action, and select the applause action. And after that, you will complete the quest and just go back to Blanc, and then you will get his sign or his approval. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the expedition volunteer quest from Blanc. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.